Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Saushanya. Today I am going to show you how I achieved this bold blended eye makeup look that's perfect for special occasions. First I prepped my skin with moisturizer and applied a lightweight eye cream to hydrate the under eye area. To cancel out the darkness under my eyes, I am using a orange tone color corrector. I am gently patting it with brush, not blending too much, just enough to set it in place. Then I applied a concealer that matches my skin tone perfectly. Next I am applying kajal right above the upper lash line. Don't worry about being neat because we are going to smudge it out. Now for the transition shades, I started with a maroon pink eyeshadow and applied it to the inner crease, blending it slightly upwards towards the brow bone. Then I went in with a burnt orange shade on the outer crease and blending it into the maroon. This adds dimension and really lifts the eye. To balance the upper lid, I took the same maroon red shade and applied it along the lower lash line. Then I smudged it with a bit of kajal on the waterline to give that soft smoky look. Highlighted my brows with a eyebrow pencil. Then I highlighted my brow bone using a metallic silver shimmer. Next I curl my lashes and applied a volumizing mascara to open up the eyes and finish the look. For that pop of glam, I added a metallic shimmer right at the center of my eyelid. And that's it guys. A bold blended and super glam eye makeup look. Perfect for weddings, parties and night outs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.